here we go. The agenda for the week. We have a test on Friday. We're going to be everything's on Delta Math. I saw that most of you. I'll check out your Delta Math stuff. See how you guys are doing with that. But actually, I got to present. Let me present. Crystal, Crystal, I am at the call. Turn your camera on, please.
My camera isn't working.
Okay.
My camera isn't working.
What? Did you use a screwdriver? I'm just joking. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. So today we're doing Delta Math again. We're gonna do translation of a point. Then we're gonna do rotation of a point. Then we're gonna review Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, Wednesday and Thursday in class. Okay, Thursday's a minimum day. Thursday's a minimum day. So if you're going into school, just know it's a minimum day. It's a minimum day. Thursday's a minimum day. And then Friday, we will have a test. All right. So let's look at our Delta Math. Everyone log on to Delta Math. Oh no. You know what? Oh. Okay. Always do that. You guys log on to Delta Math? Okay, so the assignment that you're going to do is going to be, where'd it go? I'm trying to find it here. Sorry. It's right here. It's called, okay. Did you guys see it? It's called Translations Part 2. I'll put it right here. It's Translations Part 2. Okay, so you guys able to get this into Translations Part 2. We're just going to do reflection of a point, okay? There's only 10 problems today. We're doing not rotation. We're not going to do that. Just reflection of a point. Okay, so let's take a look at the reflection of a point problem, okay? And there's the, hey, what makes this hard is that we're going to have to graph this, okay? We're going to have to graph these, all right? So you guys all on it? The reflection of a point. I'll show you a couple, and then that'll be it. Okay, let's see. Are you on the Delta Math? Let's go with Alberto. Did you make it to the Delta Math? Alberto, are you there?
Yeah.
Did you get on the Delta Math?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Did you find this one or no?
What happened?
Did you find this problem?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's see. Antonio, how about you? Did you find this problem, Antonio? Are you on it?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay, I just want to make sure you guys are on it before I move on. Crystal, I am at the call. How about you?
Yes.
All right, Crystal, Magallanes. Did you get this one, Crystal Magallanes?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Okay, so does anyone need any more time to find this problem? Because I will wait. Anyone need more time?
What would be our login for Delta Math?
Well, it's the one you did. Were you on it last week?
Oh, the one from last week?
Yeah, same one.
All right then.
Okay, cool. All right, so we want to reflect this point, -9, -5, over this line, y equals -x. So let me write this in slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form, so you guys write this down. Write this on graph paper. You got to write it out. I'll wait till you get your paper out. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, so you guys all have this written out? I have a Rubik's Cube. I was trying to figure out how to solve it. I could only get to this part, the white part, and then like half. See, I started getting all these. I started building around here. All right, and then I don't know. I got to start reading out how to solve it. Okay, do we have our papers out? We writing on our paper. Daniel Mejia, is your paper out or should I wait?
It's out.
All right, good job, homie. How about you, Edgar? Is your paper out?
Yeah.
All right, how about you, Devin? Is your paper out? Devin! Devin, I'm marking you absent, dude. I'm doing.
Wait, what?
Devin, stay with me,
Yes.
man. Just because your camera's off
Yeah,
doesn't mean
sorry.
your phones are off, right? You got me?
Yes, sorry.
Devin,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah,
keep calling on you frequently. What's that?
All right. So what was the question?
Okay. Is your paper and pencil out? That was the
Yes.
question. Okay. Stay with me. All right. So we have y equals mx plus b. Okay, remember the m? Devin, what's the m?
The M, the slope.
Very good. And then let's go with Antonio. What's the b?
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept. Very good. Okay. Now let's make this look like this, right? So it's y equals negative x, but instead of an x, we can say negative 1x plus, what's my b? What's my b if it's not there? Edith, what's my b going to be? If I don't have it here.
I'm confused.
Oh, okay. Well, do you see how I'm making this into this? Can you see how I'm making this into this?
Yes.
Okay. So instead of m, there's a -1 for the m, and then plus, what number am I adding here? Is there anything here?
No.
Okay, so what represents nothing? What number?
0.
There you go. That's my b. That's my y-intercept. So anyway, to graph this, we're going to use this. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph it. And then we'll reflect it. Where'd my ruler go? No. No. I'll use this. Okay, so here we go. So here's my, anyway, What is y equals negative x? Okay, all y equals negative x is I have a y-intercept of 0, which is right here, y-intercept of 0, and a slope of negative 1. That means I go down 1 over 1, and just go right here. Down 1 over, this is y equals negative x. We want to reflect, and then we can go in this direction, and we'll connect the points of our line. So remember, the question is, reflect negative 9, negative 5 over this line, y equals negative x. So let's get the line y equals negative 9, negative 5. I'm trying to get it exact, so I want to do every single point. I want to get this line perfect so I can get the reflection, so I get it right on delta math. So go to negative 9, negative 5. Negative 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's negative 9, negative 5. Okay, so I'm probably going to run out of room here. It's probably going to be somewhere up there. But when I reflect it, remember, since this is diagonal, you count the diagonals. Count the diagonals all the way to here. So let's count the diagonals. 1 diagonal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I went 7 diagonals to that line. How many diagonals now do I have to go away from the line, do you think? Once I went 7, how many am I going to go away? Devin Solis. How many am I going to go?
7.
Very good. So it goes 7 diagonals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's kind of my problem here. But what is that point? That should be your reflection. So we count how many over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over. And how many up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 5, 9. And do we see a pattern here? When we flip it across y equals negative x, instead of negative 9, negative 5, it's 5, 9. So let's write that as our thing. Are there any questions on that? Sorry, you know what? Let me let you look at that a little bit more before let me zoom it in maybe too. I don't know if you can see count it, but you guys have to draw the pictures yourself. Are there any questions? All right, so let's hit 5, 9. And again, if you get stuck, you can watch the video for help. Is that right? And yes, okay. And this gives you, hey, here's x equals y, negative x, negative y, if it's y equals negative x. Okay. But let's do another one. What is the image negative 6, negative 1 after reflecting over the x-axis? So let's reflect it over the x-axis, see if we can figure out a pattern. So which one's the x-axis? Hang on, I'm writing it down. I am drawing my graph. Actually, let's write down. Negative 6, negative 1. Reflecting over the x-axis. So we draw the x-axis. Okay, let me zoom it out. Or draw the x and y-axis. So let's go, we'll go like this. And let's draw here. Here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis. So let's do negative 6, negative 1. Okay, so my point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1. So this is my x-axis, so I'm reflecting it across this. So this is my mirror. Okay, I'll give you a second to draw this. This is -6, -1. So I reflect it. So here we go. Here's my reflection. If I'm 1 away from it, then I just go 1 up. And what is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, +1. -6, +1. And there, you see a pattern. It's like the same numbers, but we switch them around and make one a positive or one a negative. Are there any questions on that? Okay. I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. All right. So we say it's -6, +1. Let's see what happens. -6, +1. Here, let me give you a chance to write that out. And there you go. And let's look at one more. So, and this one says you just make the y negative when you reflect over the x-axis, or you switch the sign of the y. Now the last one we'll do. I'll do this one last. Now instead of y equals -x, it's y equals +x. So again, to draw that line, I have 0, 2. Devin, are you still with us?
I
Devin!
am.
Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Okay. So we want to reflect over y equals x. Now y equals x, again, can be written as y equals 1x plus 0, where this is 0, but y equals x, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, right? Y equals x, -1 is x, -1 is y. It's just this line goes like this. -2 is x, -2 is y. That's y equals -x. Okay? And so 0, 2, reflecting across that. Where's 0, 2? So 0, 2 is right here. Let's do it in green. Now you see, okay. Oh, you know what? I'm not even, sorry. Am I sharing? No one said anything. I didn't know I wasn't presenting. Let me talk about what I did here. Okay, so we want to reflect 0, 2 across y equals x. So I did my line. Y equals x. Like this point is 0, 0. Y equals x, right? If x is 1, then y is 1. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Or y equals 1x plus 0. So here's my 0, and then I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Anyway, these are my points. You can see the pattern. You start from 0, you just go the diagonal down. And y equals x means it's positive, so it's going up. See how I just have that diagonal down? That's that line that you want to reflect over. Okay? And to reflect it, you can see, here's my line of reflection. It's one diagonal over, so I just go one diagonal here. And there's my point. 2, 0. You just flip the x and the y. See, instead of 0, 2, 2, 0. That's the pattern with the y equals x. But draw the line, you can see. I'd rather do it. Draw the line. And we have here 2, 0. Sorry, let me go back to this so you can look at that. I'll let you look at this first. Are there any questions on my image? So we have a test on this on Friday. Okay. All right. That's your answer. Are there any questions on the answer? 2-0. I'll give you a second to write it out. Type it in. So I did 3 of them. Those are the pretty much ones that there's going to be 4 possibilities. X-axis, Y-axis, Y equals X, Y equals negative X. I'm submitting the answer. Boom. Is that my answer? And got it. So that's pretty much it. Are there any questions? All right. If you came in late, make sure you stay because I marked you absent. Okay. Otherwise, you guys watch the video, copy the video if you want to watch it before you log out, right? All right. You did all of them? Okay. Well, anyway, you guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Unless you have questions. See you, David. Bye, Angelina. Bye, Angelina Rodriguez, Angelina Lou. Bye, Elias Ortega. Bye, Octavio. Bye, Edgar.
I came in a bit late, and I don't know
Antonio.
if I was marked tardy. I mean, or absent.
Olivia. Yeah, I'm gonna mark you tardy because you're so late, Crystal. You're late a lot, so just want to keep track of that.
Sorry.
So
Okay.
it's okay. What's up? Why are you late? I just like hearing the excuses. They're fun. Crystal, are you there still?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I marked you here, but tardy. All right. Okay, you can go.
Okay. Have a
Anyone
nice day.
else? All right, see ya. Let's see who else. I have let's see, I still have Elias Arroyo, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Austin Rodriguez, Leotali Tuatama, Andy Tumamate, and Quinlan Wilson. Are any of those people here?
Quinlan is.
Quinlan, I'll mark you late too. Just keep track because you're always late. I think are you sleeping in still or something? Still sleeping, Quinlan?
No, I just came in like 10 minutes late.
No. Hey, anyway, what day are you coming to school?
Wednesday.
Nice. I'll see you on Wednesday then. First day.
All right.
All right. All right. See you. Naomi, what's up?
I just wanted to ask, do we finish all the Delta math?
What's that?
Do we finish all the problems in the Delta math?
No, just do the one. Don't do the rotation ones because I didn't show you how to do that. I guess I wasn't clear.